Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Check us out if you have any Google Ads needs. Be glad to help you out. Drop a comment below about this video or anything you need help with. This is another video in our series where we target one region, one niche, take a look at what the local competition is for Google Ads, see what type of ads are running, see how many nationals or players are there, see how many local players are there, look at your ad copy quality, look at your landing page. So real quick, we're going to run through window replacement in the Tampa region. And this is pretty competitive. 44 advertisers in this area. And if we take a look at the schedule, we always run these for one 24-hour period. So during that 24-hour period, these dots represent how many dots and the numbers in them represent how many advertisers there were. There are up to 27 advertisers in the Tampa area for window replacement. So pretty competitive. Let's take a look at the keywords that I targeted. New window cost, because it's indicative of intent. Window replacement service, window replacement near me, window company, window replacement company. All kick-ass keywords. Let's take a look at our advertisers, and I'm going to sort them by the advertisers that were most aggressive in the space. And not surprisingly, it's Anderson Windows. Renewals by Anderson. Let's just take a quick look at what they're doing. I always like to see what a national player is doing. Renewal by Anderson. I'd be trademarked. I'd be, putting my name out there if I had the brand recognition that they did. Buy one window, get one 40% off. They've got a great offer. Not surprising, they're doing their marketing pretty well. Let's take a look at where their ads go to, what their landing page looks like. And, not the greatest. Decent. I might have expected better for a national player like that, but it is what it is. See who is number 2 in this area. Powell and Sons. Let's see if they're local to the Tampa region. Vinyl replacement windows, voted best in Lakeland, voted best in St. Petersburg. At least they localized a little bit to where the city they're advertising in. Voted best, voted best, voted best. They're pretty consistent with their advertising copy. I'd like to see a little bit more meat there. Maybe some extensions in their ad copy. Maybe some offers. Let's see what they, looks like they're sending to the homepage of the website. See if that's true. Ooh, that's not great. That's not great. Maybe not terrible. Have to see how it converts, but at least they have a form here. We've got contact us, request service. They got a lot of calls to action. Click for, so that's pretty decent. I mean, it's simple. It's simple. I like simple. I'm good. Over time, I'm revising my opinion of this just slightly. It's a little bit better than I thought when I first got here. White space is not a bad thing in marketing. Let's take a look at the third company on the list here. That is Weather Right Windows. Weather Tight Windows. They're triple business BBB, Better Business Bureau approved. That's always a good thing. They're just throwing out your brand name in that BBB. Well, upgrade your windows to affordable and eco-friendly. Okay, they're varying it a little bit. Not too much. Save money on new windows. No dollars, offers, anything much that I can see there, but not terrible. Let's take a look at where they're sending the ads to. Weather Tight Windows. Okay, so this is probably, it's localized. Tampa Bay replacement windows and doors. It's not bad. Click here for your free estimate. It's phone number. That's not bad at all. Let's take a quick scan at the rest of the ads here, see if there's any national players. I'm surprised you're not seeing any of the lead gen type players like Home Source and that sort of thing there, because that is a pretty competitive space. So once again, that's the Tampa area window replacement. A lot of competitors there. We've done well in that space. If you need help with your Google Ads or it's a niche you're thinking about getting into for your agency, reach out to us. You can reach us at Inbound Revenue, that place over there. I'm Mark Kelly. If you have any questions about this video, you have a region or a niche that you want us to feature, drop some comments below. I look forward to talking to you again in the next video. Take care.